Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your audience targeting with Facebook ads, easy tutorial step by step clearly.
Open your Facebook Ads Manager.
Click on the Create button to start a new campaign.
Select your campaign objective based on your goals.
Once you've chosen your objective, proceed to the ad set level. Set your audience targeting options.
Begin by defining your location.
You can specify countries, regions, or cities where your audience resides.
Next, choose the age range that best fits your target demographic. Select the gender of your audience if applicable. Now, move on to detailed targeting. Here, you can include specific demographics, interests, and behaviors.
Consider using the narrow audience feature to refine your targeting further.
This lets you combine different targeting options for better precision. You can also exclude certain groups if necessary. Next, look into custom audiences.
These allow you to retarget users who have interacted with your brand.
You can upload a customer list or create an audience from website traffic. Look into lookalike audiences as well. These audiences are based on the characteristics of your current customers. Select the size of your lookalike audience, keeping in mind the balance between size and similarity. Now, save your audience settings.
Review your selections to ensure they align with your marketing objectives.
If everything looks good, move on to the next step in your campaign. Finalize your ad creative and settings.
Make sure your ad resonates with your targeted audience.
Once satisfied, publish your campaign.
Monitor the performance of your ads and make adjustments as needed.
By fine-tuning your audience targeting, you can boost engagement and drive better results.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.